Hey everybody, it's Dave from the Buds of the Source channel doing an unboxing video, quarantine unboxing video that is. Who do you think it is? I'll tell you who it is. ViparSpectra. What is it? I'm guessing it's the P1500 LED grow light with upgraded SMD LEDs. Comes with a sunlight full spectrum that's dimmable, zero noise. It has the latest 3G cooling system, aluminum heat sinks, UL listed, 3-year warranty plus 30-day money back guarantee. Sounds pretty good to me. ViparSpectra P1500. Let's check it out. On the back, you got the nice heat sinks. And here we got the diodes. Nice. Let's get this sucker plugged in. I already had the cord out. Nice and handy. It's hard to do when you're making the videos by yourself, but here we go. ViparSpectra P1500. That's on the low, I believe. Crank it up to the high. Crank it down low, however I want it, you know what I mean? All right. ViparSpectra P1500. Check them out. Links will be in the description. Get yours. Grow on.